How to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings in Roblox. Alright, in order to fix that problem, it's actually going to be very simple. Now, I want you to go ahead and click more here and then click the settings. And what you are going to do is head over to your account information and then you're going to have to verify your age. This is very important. And once you have verified your age, go ahead and click parental controls. Now, it is important that you are going to choose 17 plus for this one. I'm going to go ahead and click this. All right, there you go. It saved successfully, so that's good news. Now, in some cases, it is actually going to require you actually to input the PIN code. Now, that is very important. So once you are done with this one, just go ahead and close this one. And then you can go ahead to that same game again. You can go ahead and click it. And then if I were to click this one, you can see that now I am able to join this one. So basically, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.